Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don't play host to contestants of the 2023 Miss ITV Nigerian Beauty Pageant with members of the organizing committee for a private residence for Benin City. Oga Shaibu can commend the founder, Sir Chief Dr. Gabriel Esawari Benedion, the Asama of Benin, for the initiative and can charge the beauty queens to use their beauty to attract other people to do the right thing and say make them serve as role models to the society, particularly to the girl child, and also promote Edo State and by extension Niger as center of peace, development, unity, and sustainable growth.
Chief Gabriel Esawari Benedion, the Romanian ambassador to Edo and Delta, for this initiative. We go there as ambassadors of this country. There's nothing wrong with migration, but illegal migration is what is wrong. Because no matter what, there must be exchange of ideas and exchange of technology. And the only way it can happen is when you cross-visit. So all of you, don't forget, you must be what? Role models. When I came in, you are quite young and beautiful. So that beauty, you must use it to attract others to do what is right, to do what will grow the society. And when you do that, Edo and Nigeria will be a better place. And one most important thing that I also pick from this is your pet projects. Your pet projects are very critical. So that is where you show the character that you are and what you want the society to know you with. Helping the society to grow, especially the young ones. Just know you can always count me in. I'm there. Some are dealing with school children, some are helping the needy, some are dealing with the issue of environment, some are dealing with all different sectors of the economy or our society. At the end of the day, we are all contributing our little effort. And don't forget that little effort that you see as little, when we add them together, is it little? It becomes very big. So for us to build an Edo that all of us will be proud of tomorrow, it starts now and it starts with you. For us to build an Edo that all of us will be proud of tomorrow, it starts now and it starts with you. So this year's program, I'm saying, Innovative Ladies Edition. So that means the next Miss ITV, by the grace of God, on Sunday, must be somebody with character and with high level of innovative ideas to be able to move the next year forward.
Manager, Programs and Chairman Organizing Committee of the Pageantry, Sonny Duke Okosu, where lead the team come meet the Deputy Governor, can commend Shaibu, sake of say him be the new face of political activism for Edo State and Niger. He constitutes the beauty pageant they designed to give young girls who get the potential the platform to explore their abilities and impart to the society.
For being the new face of political activism in Edo State and in Nigeria, for equity, for fairness, and for justice. For some of us, this is not new because that has been your lifestyle over the years. Well, having said that, let me also wish you happy birthday and wish you happy new month. Primarily, the Miss ITV brand is over 20 years. As a matter of fact, this year will make it the 24th edition of Miss 24th edition. So for the past 24 years, the Miss ITV brand has been on. Over the years, we've crowned several queens, but fundamentally, the brand, the initiative was designed to give young ladies who have the potentials to explore their beauty, to impact the society. We know in the days of yore, the story about Edo State as relates to trafficking and all of those vices wasn't so good. So we came up with this idea to give young girls the opportunity for them to contribute to the society by designing a pet project, a platform through which they can actually contribute to the society. So over the years, we've seen them take up pet projects like helping the girl child, school visitation with free notebooks and all of that, and several other projects. We even had, I think about 2 years ago, one who was very bold enough to go into environmental sanitation. She would go to markets to clean and do all of that. So this has been the story behind this brand.
The 23rd Miss ITV hot leg winner Adigbo Christabel contrary salute to Oga Shaibu for im good work and come also chook mouth on top her pet project which she don't do through the help of ITV.
We want to appreciate you for having us here, for creating time to meet with us, and also to appreciate you for your good works. In every corners of Edo State, you hear on ending tales of how you are raising the bar and rewriting the name of the state in shining ink. So we want to appreciate you for your good work, sir. As the 23rd Miss ITV Nigeria, like the chairman has said, being a queen, it's beyond the glamour and glitz. It comes with hard work, passion, what you have to give back. I've always been an advocate for a complete eradication of women trafficking and child support. Part of my pet project was giving out to the kids on the streets, those kids you see selling while their mates are in school without proper education, not even good food or clothing. So with the help of ITV, we could reach out to some of these kids.
Make una not forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk 'em. We know they take blame. From Benin City, A. Carter, Ojiseli, TMC TV News.